Do you love ice cream as much as we do? If you can't go a day, a week, or even a month without the delicious flavors of ice cream, then we know how you feel. We have found some cool tidbits about ice cream that you may not have heard before. Here are the 10 cool facts about ice cream. Number 1. The major ingredient in ice cream is air. Who would have thought that the major ingredient in the ice cream we eat is actually air? Air makes up to 50% of the total volume of your ice cream, which gives it its light texture. The presence of air means that ice cream is also a foam. Number 2. The waffle cone was invented by accident. In 1904, an ice cream vendor ran out of cones. He was at the World's Fair in St. Louis, Missouri, and he was facing high demand from guests. Desperate for a solution, he turned to a waffle vendor nearby. Together, they came up with the idea to mold the waffles into cones and serve the ice cream in there. Customers loved the idea, and the waffle cone was officially born. Number 3. It takes about 50 licks to finish a single scoop of ice cream. According to a test, it takes about an average of 50 licks to finish a single scoop of ice cream. We're just jealous we weren't the person who got to do the taste test to get that data. Talking about tasting, our next fact will blow your taste buds. Number 4. Ice cream testers use a golden spoon to be able to taste the product accurately. Professional ice cream testers will sample ice cream with a one-of-a-kind golden spoon. The gold spoon enables the tester to sample the ice cream without experiencing any aftertaste from the spoon itself. Number 5. One of the weirdest ice cream flavor is horseflesh. This fact is disturbing and will make you stomach churn. Horseflesh flavored ice cream is available at Ice Cream City inside Namja Town, an indoor amusement park in Tokyo. Number 6. End of World War II was celebrated by eating ice cream. Ice cream played a very crucial role in maintaining a high morale throughout World War II. In fact, the end of World War II was celebrated by eating ice cream on September 2, 1945. Number 7. There is actually an ice cream diet designed for weight loss. There is actually a diet called the Ice Cream Diet, which is based on a book with the same name by Holly McCord. This diet claims that eating a portion of your favorite flavor of ice cream daily can help in losing weight. Sounds too good to be true, right? Number 8. In Canada, more ice creams are sold in winter than in summer. Despite the freezing temperatures, Canadians buy more ice cream during the winter than during the summer. Ice cream is a popular comfort food, so it only makes sense that Canadians eat more when they need comfort, since it's cold outside. Number 9. There is an ice cream fruit in Hawaii. There's a Hawaiian fruit that tastes exactly like vanilla ice cream. It's called the Inca foiai, but locals call it the ice cream bean. It grows on perennial trees in hot climates, and it is enjoyed in many different ways by locals. Number 10. The ingredients of the first handwritten ice cream recipe will disgust you. Sometime around 1668, English noblewoman Lady Anne Fanshawe wrote down the first official ice cream recipe. She originally called it icy cream, and it called for some pretty strange things. To prepare the ice cream, the recipe states to boil cream with mace. If that doesn't throw you off, wait till you see what comes next. For flavor, Fanshawe wrote to use orange flower or ambergris with some sugar. If you don't know what ambergris is, it is essentially whale vomit. Let us know in the comments if you knew any of these cool facts. Subscribe and hit the bell button for more listicle videos.